Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, kindly do me the favor to hit the subscribe button, put on notification bell so that anytime I place an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Now, a quick one. Um, some of you have been coming into my inbox, especially those of you who are Forex traders. You have been coming into my inbox and asking me questions about this strategy, if it works on probably gold, Forex, and other pairs, and I keep saying yes. And the only way to let you know that it works is by showing you. It's not that I'm going to explain to you the strategy because um, there are so many things you need to know. So I'm just showing you that if you eventually you have this thing in your possession, probably based on the information you are going to get or how to use it, you will be making huge profit from it. So that being said, this is gold. Though I missed this trade because I was not online. Then I have something doing. As at today, yesterday gold was bullish. If you check my previous videos, I explained reasons why, and I said you should be expecting a reversal, and you should wait when price get to those zones of reversal, or probably give you signals of reversal. Then you should take your entry. So I think it got to that point where price started reversing, and I was not aware. So I would have taken this entry very early today on 15-minute time frame, because when I checked the higher time frame, price has really got into areas of interest. So if you check now, this is the separator. This line, this tiny line you can see is the separator. So every activity from here was today's activity. All these activities are today's activity price movement. So I will have taken my entry probably around this zone. Sorry, I will have taken my entry from here. So I will have hold the trade up to this point you are seeing now. So this one is a late entry, and the reasons are because price has already been giving out notification that we should be expecting a reversal. So that's why I told you that this system works very well. It's not something that one has to be doubting if it works or not. So it only depends on how you sit down to digest the information. So this one I took now is just more or less like a risk trade. Though I'm going to share the result at the end of this at the end so that you see the outcome. Probably I'm still expecting price to come here, though I'm expecting price to come all the way down. So uh, it might take a little while. So that being said, this is on um what is it called, on gold. So and I also check on Euro USD. The same thing. I also missed the entry opportunity for today because it has also been giving us signals. You can see it. I will have taken this trade and ride it all the way down. So the problem with many of you who are new is that you don't digest the information given to you, or probably you don't let the condition necessary for your entry take place. As this system is now, no matter your level of no matter the knowledge you have in forex, either you are new or old, in as much as you can listen and pay attention and follow instruction, there's a very high probability of making winning with this strategy or this particular system. Yes, because everything is intact. All you just need is watch the tutorial, then follow the instruction as it's going to be as explained. This is the recent update. The recent update, because if you check the millennial strategy on my channel, this was not the pattern of strategy we are using. That doesn't mean the previous one is not working. It's intact. It's all based on how well you assimilate the information. So but this very one, in fact, it will even alert you. There are things I'm going to teach you that you will know when you should be waiting for price to reverse. Then when price is going to reverse, there's the signals you are going to see. So even though you take entry, your losses will be very little and your profit will be high. Go and check the ones I did on synthetic indices. Sorry, volatility 75 and then crash 1000, even boom 1000 on my channel, where I talked about how entries came in, where I explained in details. You see all, even up to now, the volatility 75 is still moving towards the direction I predicted, and I have made, if I have made many multiples of cash on only that volatility 75 index. So it doesn't matter. You can even be trading one pair and you'll be making good money from it. Exactly, because those of you asking me, you just want everyone to see everything. I just have to make this video to let you understand that this thing work. It all depends on the information, how well you digest the information. Because majority of you out there, you are doing the wrong thing. You instead of you um understanding a particular strategy first, what you do is you run and go and fund your account. Probably you got a strategy either on YouTube or on Instagram. Then maybe probably you just try it on one pair and it look like it's giving result. The next thing, you fund your account and you blow it off. That is not how to trade forex. Forex, the first thing you should do is digest the strategy you're going to use, digest the information properly. Make sure you are well informed of what you are going to meet. Make sure you have adequate information. And me, I'm not the kind of person whereby after giving you softwares or probably give you the strategy, I'm always available for questioning. As in you can come to ask questions, then I'll answer you. There are videos already to guide you, but probably you have other questions you are not too sure of. I'm always available for you to ask, and then I will answer you ASAP. So just to clear the air, because if you check the previous video, I stated it clearly that that was that 3 days ago that gold is making an up move after we've gotten few pips from the reversal it made. Then it later took up by. I told you that we are expecting a reversal, so we are only waiting for price to get to that point before we start taking our entry. So if you have missed the previous one, definitely this is it. Then for those of you who are joining, aside the mobile strategies you saw on my channel, there are particular strategies you can use to leverage the market for consistent earning. So my WhatsApp number is in the description below. You can just chat me up, then you get more information. So back to the gold. So we are still expecting price to drop to this level. Yeah, probably it's going to drop more, but before this price start going bullish, we are still expecting it to drop. Exactly. So maybe at the end of this trade, I'm just going to show you the outcome. I'm going to post the results of the entry. So if I had taken these trades now, if I had taken it, probably I will set my alarm or my notification stuff to notify me. If I have taken this trade you see here, you made more than $20 for only one single entry, even using the minimal lot size, because just this one here now will give you about $6 for a single trade. Yeah, almost $7, So if I had taken it immediately, the conditions align, forget it, it will have been a boom. So don't worry, at the end of this video I'll post the result and you'll see it. Cheers guys. Hello guys, this was the outcome of the USD, that is gold. So if I had joined very early, I would have made much profit than this. So I just leverage on the little space because gold is very volatile. So you have to trade with your sense. You must not be greedy and you must always have a good strategy of entry. So our system has been upgraded, as the millionaire strategy has been updated. So the one you see earlier on that I use in making the analysis is the updated version. So probably you must have been watching the previous ones you saw. They are still active, they are working. I just choose to update it to something that may be more easier for most especially the novice to use. That means if you've not traded before, you've not even understand anything about forex, there's no problem. But there's a video guide on this. Anyone who gets it, I will also send a video guide on how to install everything, then how to take signals with it. Nevertheless, You have my contact, so we'll be able to relate once in a while, telling you. You tell me what you see, then I will explain to you what it means. So this is just the update. Now, for those of you who are skeptical, coming to my inbox. I think very soon I'll start blocking some of you. Most especially those of you who are asking stupid questions. I'm not hiding anything. It's right on the channel. You can see it. So if you don't believe, you can go. There's no problem. Life is all about risk, and it's only those who take risks that scale through. So if you are doubting it, I don't have issues with you. If you ask questions again, most especially those of you who have been disturbing for over a month now, asking same questions, I'm definitely going to block you because I don't tolerate that. If you don't have the money, stay aside. If you are ready, then you inbox me. That is it. I don't like people coming to ask questions, same question all the time. I get annoying. For those of you who have gotten it, or for those of you who are anticipating to get it, my number is in the description below. Also, please message me on the WhatsApp. So it works on Forex, it works on synthetic indices. So there's no barrier. It has no barrier. There's nothing like maybe probably it all works on all pairs. It's Forex, it's trading, so it works on anything trading. Exactly, guys. So and again, I want to correct one more thing. Most especially those of you who are in my channel who are using the mobile strategies I post on my channel. I told you guys that you don't trade the way you guys are trading. People don't trade that way. Majority of you will go and fund your account just because you will watch one strategy. You did not even practice the strategy for some time. You just go and fund the account, then you blow it off. The next thing you start typing up, commenting rubbish, saying it's not working. Trading is not a gambling, it's a business, and it involves patience. For you to win in the market, you need to have a good strategy in place. So all those strategies are working. That is why every day I keep posting strategies so that you can choose the one you find easier. There are at least out of 20 things, you might find one that you feel you are comfortable with. That is why we keep posting. So pick the one you know you have been backtesting and is working for you, then you use it to trade. But if you feel okay, you want something more solid, then you come for this millionaire strategy. Yes, you come for the millionaire strategy, then you start making your cool money. I'm not telling you to come and learn Forex. I'm saying come and earn on Forex, not come and learn. Coming to learn means I want to start teaching you the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, break of stock, everything. No, this one, the strategy is already there. I will only tell you how to implement it and make money. That is all. So that is how it works. Alright, I don't want this video to be too long. You've seen the outcome. I've been able to explain to you. If you watch the previous one when I told you that we're expecting price to drop, so it's all there in the channel. You can choose to take your time and go through them. Then when you are finally ready, you can then message me on WhatsApp. Alright, cheers, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed.